Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome if you're watching on onespotmedia.com. We begin this evening with an appeal to the government to open the Edward Seaga Highway to all motorists at no cost until the Bogwalk Gorge is cleared. Member of Parliament for St. Catherine North Central, Natalie Nita Garvey, made the call following a tour of the gorge today. Halshane Berg has our first story.
Large boulders, lots of debris, afternoon rains. There's no telling when the Bogwalk Gorge will reopen to motorists. There have long been complaints about the state of the roads in alternative routes, but motorists have no choice but to endure the inconvenience or use the toll. It's why Member of Parliament for St. Catherine North Central, Natalie Nita Garvey, wants the toll fees to be waived.
I have written to the Prime Minister. I have also indicated to members of my community that I would be advocating on their behalf for opening up of the toll at Angels to facilitate free passage for the next couple days until this is completed, and that we feel that it's safe and the engineers can tell us that it is safe for people to commute through this area.
Mrs. Nita Garvey says that opening the toll road to the public at no cost would provide crucial support during this challenging period.
It is tough for those who are coming from Bogwalk, Yorton, Linstead, who are not usually taking the toll road because of affordability. It is also disgusting at this point because even if the taxis were to charge them a little more, it is not just a little more, it is exponentially higher. Some people are paying even $2,000 per day to commute from Yorton, Linstead or Bogwalk to and fro to get to work or get to school. Some children are not going to school at all as a result of this. So the natural disaster has taken place. It's not anybody's fault, but as a government, we have a responsibility to see how best we can alleviate what is happening to our people at this time. Open the toll road for the next 2 days or so until this is completed. And it's a slow process because the equipment that is here is not adequate.
The National Works Agency said this week the boulders will have to be broken into smaller pieces and an assessment conducted of the hillside to ensure its stability. Mrs. Nita Garvey stressed the need for competent engineers to assist with the repairs.
If you notice, the retaining wall is also been displaced and the road is breaking away. There's no way that vehicular traffic is going to be able to access this route until all of this is completed. So I am appealing once again that the engineers from the NWA, the best they have, please come and do a final assessment even after the completion of removing these rocks, because this roadway is compromised and will need to be assessed and completely rehabilitated to facilitate the commuting public.
Halshane Berg, TVJ News.